Assalamu alaikum ninjas, peace be upon you. This is a camera review, full camera review of the Redmi 9A after the updates. This is a $100 smartphone from China, from Xiaomi. So you can basically judge by yourself, is it worth buying for this price tag? And of course, again, Xiaomi does attack. Yes, indeed. Maybe you can get maybe $10-20 more and get a better camera smartphone, but for the price tag, this is decent cameras that you can get. One single camera on the front, one single camera on the back, 1080p on the back. Yeah. And we're checking here the exposure. The sun is just behind my back. Okay, it's not that balanced. Maybe, I don't know, I have to, for the full judgment, I have to put it on my, upload it on my YouTube, on my laptop to see it. But for now, it's good. It is good. For $100, I can't ask for more, bro. Let's go next. Redmi 9A, 1080p, 30 FPS, video test. With my friend riding a bike. Handheld footage, walk-in. 1080p, 30 FPS. One single camera on the back, just. You do have also Redmi 9C with more cameras, but it is more expensive, around $20, I think so. $20 more expensive. Let's move next. Okay, this is 720p, 30 FPS, video test, handheld footage. Okay, let's test it out of focus. Okay, not bad. It could be faster. It could be faster. Optimization is needed. Optimization is needed, bro.
Nights told me, son, don't leave. The streets too cold and your heart might freeze. Return back home before you in too deep. Drowning in your sins till your soul can't breathe. I was a product of my past, soaking in the rain, hiding my emotions, and I dive into seeking my chest like treasure in the trenches of the sea. If only I had known that heaven lies beneath your feet, I would treat you like a queen and give you everything you need. I put you through a storm when you only wanted good for me. If I could go back, I'd do it differently. Sorry's not enough, but the plan is to show you that I understand. Think about you all the time, on the run for Seattle to Switzerland. You the reason that I travel telling stories, regardless of the way in my chest that I'm holding. You always tell me it's gonna come after hardship. You can't see the light if you never been through darkness. He just a young boy, but he feeling like he grown. Mama cannot sleep till his keys are in the door. Her blood pressure high and his eyes getting low. Got it blowing up his phone, but then he put it on ignore.
Mutter wartet schon die ganze Zeit, wo ist er geblieben? Was hat er getrieben? Kommt er endlich heim? Wie die Zeit vergeht, ich seh wie deine Liebe immer weiter lebt. Machst Bittgebete für den geraden Weg. Wenn ich deine Tränen sehe, brech ich zusammen. Erfülle die